Hello friends, myself Bhavik Jadav. Today I will show you how to integrate maps and charts like everything in the phonegap cordova application. Let us begin with the charts demo. More will be in the more tutorial. Okay, so in this tutorial we will integrate the charts in the phonegap application. So let us first visit my blog. You can visit my blog by visiting URL like bhavikjadav.wordpress.com. So here is my blog. There is a post on the home page. If you don't find this post in the home page, just go through the scroll down to the lower level, you will find it. Okay, just click on this integrating charts with Apache Cordova phonegap. Okay, here we have in detailed description about how to do this. So there is steps and codes also. So let us begin now. Okay, first you have to download the JQ widgets. JQ widgets is the official jQuery widgets that allow us to integrate charts, maps and all other GUI things into our phonegap application. It's very lightweight, so we can use that. So just click here to download. It will redirect you to the official JQ widgets website, and you can download commercial or non-commercial as you are using for the home purpose only or learning purpose only. Then you can use a commercial, or you can use non-commercial, or if you are going with some organizations application or some copyright issue. If there is a copyright issue, then please go with the commercial use. Okay, so download it from here or here. You will find a zip file. I have already downloaded it. So when you extract the zip file, there will be a many folder like JQ widgets, images, documentation demos, mobile demos, okay. So we have to just to visit the JQ widgets folder, open it, and now let us get back to the our steps. So we are in the JQ widgets folder now, right? So now we have to copy this 4.js file into our phonegap file, for phonegap directory. So if you don't have any phonegap project right now, so I will teach you how to make a phonegap project, right? So let us first make a phonegap project. Just open the command prompt with the administration access. Otherwise it will get some difficulty while you are building the project. So run as administrator. Here is our CMD. Just go back here. Okay, now write Cordova, create JQ widgets. Now you can give any name to this. So I'm just giving this com.jq widgets. This is the namespace. This you can also give whatever you like. Okay, so this will create our project name JQ widgets, and the namespace will be com.jqwidgets.com. .demo. Okay, so our project is created. Now let us navigate to JQ widgets directory. Okay, now we have to add platform for that. Cordova platform, add Android. For now we are I have mistaken here. Now we are adding for Android only, so it will add the Android platform to our application. It will take some time, little bit time. Okay, it's happening. Yeah, okay, so the Android platform has been successfully set up in our application. Now we have to just follow this tutorial and continue with the copying of this 4.js file into our JS folder, right? So we have created our project in the C drive and JQ widgets, right? Here is the project, here is the www directory, and here is the JS folder. So just open this and let us go to the JQ widgets folder and just copy the files which are here: jqx chart core, JQX core, JQX data, and JQX draw. Okay, just be alert that you don't copy any other file. JQX chart core, JQX core, JQX data, and JQX draw. Just select it by by pressing Ctrl button and just copy it and go to the JS directory, just paste it. Okay, here we have chart core, data, and draw as it is mentioned in here, right? Okay, now we have to apply some style sheet. So go to the JQWidgets folder, and in this folder you will navigate to styles, find the file like jqxbase.css as it is mentioned here, jqxbase.css. So here it is the file, just copy it, go back to your project directory, just back and go to the CSS folder, just paste it. Okay, we have our required files set up. Okay, so now just open the index.html and just remove extra content that we don't want, like this and like this. Okay, that will remove this also. Okay, so we have our basic content, right? Now just visit the blog and copy this code, select this code like here up to script, just copy it, go to the index.html, in the head section just paste it. Yeah, here we have to make some little changes because the WordPress doesn't allow the script tag because it renders and it doesn't show the HTML markup. So I have added the space to show the script tag. So just remove these white spaces from everywhere you found. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so our head section has been set up. Okay, now we'll have to go to the body tag, and we have to set up the GUI where our chart will be displayed. Okay, so just in the last step, just copy this code snippet and just paste it into your body tag. Yeah, here it's pasted. Here also we have to remove this white space. Yeah, okay, and this is also you can remove. Okay, so here we have all these things are set up, like we have included the jQuery here we are including the jQuery 1.11.1. Here we are including the JavaScript files which we have just copied. Here we are including the CSS file that is also we have just copied. And there is a function named load chart. In load chart we have all the data which is going to be there in the chart, like in this chart we are going to set the population of the top 5 countries. So it is China, India, USA, Indonesia, and Brazil. Okay, and these are the settings that will be easily understandable. Okay, so just this is the most important thing is that this chart will be get loaded in this chart container element. Then what is this? Now what is this chart container element? Then chart container element is this division tag. So I request you to don't change the ID of this chart container element, this div tag. Otherwise, if you change here, you have to change here also. So vice versa, if you change here, you have to change here also, because that will not find the if you change one side, then it will not find the element properly. Okay, so if you are changing, please just make sure that you are changing at the both side. Okay, here and here. Okay, that's it. Now everything is set up. Just we have to run the application, render the application using the okay, we have to save it. Yeah, we have saved it. Now just go to the command prompt and just let us first try on the emulator. So I will write cordova emulate Android. Wait for some time. It will just boot up the emulator, and it will run the emulator once it will run the application once the emulator is booted. Okay. Okay, now you can see emulator is booted up. So now the project is deploying, all the scripts is running. This will take a little bit time. If your processor is too high, then it will not take much time, but it is definitely better than building to the from the Android phonegap build, that is a cloud based build. So it is very fast and good, and there are also so much functionalities that is not included when you build from the Adobe phonegap build, but that is included in this local cordova CLI build. So once it will build, it will load the application in the emulator. You have to click on that to load the charts. Okay, so let us click on this. Bingo, our charts is loaded. Now you can set the height and width property using the divisions style tag that we have mentioned here, right? Height 500 pixels and width 850 pixels. Okay, so you can set accordingly your need and requirements. Okay, so there is a JQX chart demo like showing Brazil has a population of this much, Indonesia has this much, US has this much, India has this much, second biggest, and the China is the first number. Okay, so here is the title and everything is, you can see. So this is a very lightweight and this is a very bright and beautiful widget of the JQX widget. Okay, so use it, and if you have any problem, just post it in the below comment section, or you can also mail me on the bhavikjadav.blog@gmail.com. The email address is also mentioned in the lower half of this post. Okay, like you can find it here. You can mail me on this. Okay, if you have any problem. Okay guys, here we go. Just visit my blog if you like, and subscribe it to get the latest post about the programming and everything in your life, like photography, like movie, like whatever. Okay, bye bye, see you soon guys.